Hello guys again, and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today we've got the XIAOMI 16-in-1 S2 Ratchet screwdriver magazine design. Let's open to see what we have inside and how we can use it, some of the specs that it has. It makes our life more easy to work with this tool. Nice. Okay, nothing else in the box. Ooh, nice black matte finish and very soft. With a push of the button, you can reveal the 16 bits that is included inside. We have a Philips P80, 1, 2 and 3, Posey PZ1, PZ2, T-type is T15, T20, T25 and T30, and H it is H3, H4, H5 and H6, and slotted SL4 and SL6. Very convenient and very helpful. Hiding the set bit inside, and with a push of the button you've got it in the moment that you want. This is a double head bit, and we've got the extension rod. Just push, take one bit. Everything is magnetized. You don't need to make any pressure to install it inside. Magnetize it and very convenient. Nice. Take one and again magnetize it, and the extended bit holder. You can turn it from the other side. And again, you can insert it inside and use this bit that you want. Ergonomic handle design, which makes it for easy to use. Ensures maximum torque, about 20 Newman output, and at the same time it brings a very comfortable grip while using it. 3-year precision ratchet, right, center it locks, and left, and right. All aluminum cell ratchet with a 45 tooth precision gear inside. Ratchet rotates more smoothly, and you will have a smoother operation when you're working. And yes, it is quite smooth. Operation to use these screwdrivers are many operations. You can have it to your home, some DIY project. If you are a PC hardware engineer, that is very helpful. You can carry on with you and make some maintenance, changing motherboard, HDD, SSDs, VGA and everything that you can do on a PC hardware. Or you can maintain your laptop. With a push, you can find the Philips bit that you want. You can see how small it is. That means you can use it and for precise work. And for other jobs, maybe some maintain to your home, screwing some screws for your furniture, DIY project. I think it is the tool that you need to have into your drawer. Well, let's test it to see how we can screw some screws at the wood. Okay, here we are, we get some screws already. Let's start from the smaller one. Very easy to use, very easy to control. Soft grip. Not feeling anything I can say, it's very comfortable. Let's go to the bigger one, changing the Phillips screw, magnetic again. And the last one. Oh yeah, nice. And of course, if we want to take them out, very easy. And if we want, we can use it in the center. Unscrewing, that is a bit more difficult, of course. Well, why not? Let's try on a bigger screw. And it's handling very well. Well, if your hand is not going too tired as you're screwing, but the grip is very comfortable and it's going very easy at the wood. Nice, good job. We can do some maintenance to our combinator. And to our laptop, of course, we can choose the precision bit, and then we can unscrew very easy. And this is a magnetic bit. Same for our drive. And of course, if you've got other bits, you can use them at the same length for fitting in this extension bit holder. Assembly of furniture from IKEA was never be more easy until now. You've got this screwdriver. Yep. Many ways to use this Xiaomi Ratchet screwdriver magazine design. Nice and very durable screwdriver, great manufacturer, all that you need for everyday use and for a professional use. Assemble some furniture, upgrade your PC or your laptop, do some maintenance on electronic devices. I'm sure you're gonna find out the right job to use it. 3 years precision ratchet, magnetic suction bit magazine, S2 steel double-headed bit, getaway handle design, and double head bits for better storage. Into the screwdriver, ergonomical design that fits very well to your hand, and you will feel nothing as you are using it. And if you need to buy this product and add it to your tool collection, and for my honest opinion is worth the money to buy it, it costs about 25 euros. Well, check down below to the description. You can find out a link, click it, and you will find out more about this product. And with all that, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.